Hi kids! Kapag multiples of 9 ang pinag-uusapan, isa ito sa kinakatakutan pero ito ang pinakamadaling gawin kapag ito ay skip counting by 9. Alam niyo ba na ang 9 is equal to 10 minus 1?
9. 9 plus 10 is equal to 19. Minus 1 is equal to 18. 18 plus 10 is equal to 28. Minus 1 is equal to 27. 27 plus 10 is equal to 37. Minus 1 is equal to 36. 36 plus 10 is equal to 46. Minus 1 is equal to 45. 45 plus 10 is equal to 55. Minus 1 is equal to 54. 54 plus 10 is equal to 64. Minus 1 is equal to 63. 63 plus 10 is equal to 73. Minus 1 is equal to 72. 72 plus 10 is equal to 72 plus 10 is equal to 82. Minus 1 is equal to 81. 81 plus 10 is equal to 91. Minus 1 is equal to 90.
Upang mas lalo kang maging mahusay sa multiplication, practice pa more. Gawin mo rin sa papel. IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulelat sa math. Walang kulelat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.